Hello there. So today we have a very quick video on directed numbers. Now directed numbers normally refers to is a number positive or negative. Typically we know of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. They're positive numbers, but I also have negative numbers, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, and they go down, a bit like temperature, which is why I've got red for hot and blue for cold. We have a look at a couple of directed number questions and the interaction of how they work. So here I have negative 5 plus 6. Notice that negative 5 has been placed in brackets. You'll see that sometimes, particularly on questions that are given to you in a computerized environment, but you could of course also see something written like this, and it's the same thing. So essentially I'm starting at negative 5. And I'm adding 6 to it. So it's not just 5 plus 6, which would be 11. That would be too high. I need to just start at negative 5 and add 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My answer is 1. Don't forget 0 counts when we're counting left and right. Question 2. I have 5 subtract 8. So I'm starting at 5, which is a positive number, and I'm subtracting 8, so it's a big subtraction. In fact, it's going to go past 0, which means I'll have a negative number. 5, start going down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer is negative 3. Next question talks to me about the difference between negative 10 and a positive 3. Well, going back to my number line, negative 10 is here, positive 3 is here. The difference between them, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, because of course I have to add 10 to negative 10 to get to 0 and add 3 to get to 3. So 10 plus 3 is 13, which is my answer, which I'll pop down here for us. My next question is negative 2 subtract 5. Okay, so I'm starting at negative 2 and I'm taking 5 away, so I'm going in the cold direction. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My answer is negative 7, which I'm just going to pop down on my answer here. Last question for us, which is bigger, negative 6 or 4? Well, 6 is a bigger number than 4, I give you that. Problem is, that's not a 6, that's a negative 6. If we're dealing with temperature, negative 6 is quite cold, okay? Whereas 4 degrees, well, arguably 4 degrees is also quite cold, but it's not as cold as negative 6. So, as we see here, 4 is bigger, size increases in this direction and decreases in this direction. So 4 is much bigger than negative 6. So for my answer there, we have 4. Thank you very much.